What is Euler's number and why is it everywhere in math? The best way to visualize it is by putting it into a graph where x is equivalent to the amount of days and y is equal to the plant height in inches. So let's say every night, exactly at midnight on the dot, this plant will grow 100% of its original height. And because our plant height started at 1 inch, it will end at 2 inches. However, if we take the same base of our original plant height and grow it by 50% intervals, halfway each throughout the day, one at noon and one at night, we will end up with 2.25 inches, which is more than what we originally started with if it grew directly at midnight. Simply put, Euler's number is the maximum rate of continuous compound interest. So we can actually visualize this by lining up our different increments of growth on the plant by percentages, and we can see as we approach smaller and smaller increments up into infinity, we get Euler's number, which is approximately 2.71828. And we can put this into a formula as limit n to infinity, parentheses 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n, where 1 represents our starter amount, 1 over n represents our tiny increments, how much we are jumping each time that compound interest grows, and n represents how many times we are doing this compound interest, and limit n to infinity is basically saying that's how small the increments are getting each time, giving us an infinitely small parts, which is equivalent to continuous growth. So every time we are going to get